Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a border around every cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to put border around every cell. At first, select your border area. Now I am select my sheet. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu. We can see here mini border. Now I am added the all border. Select all border option. Then click outside. We can see we added border around every cell easily. You want to make sure the border is added. Go to the file menu. Select the print option and check the preview. We can see here we put the border around every cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.